Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Multivitamin Tablets Herbalife. Take 1 tablet daily with a meal and water. Track tolerance and note any digestion or energy changes over several weeks. Avoid taking high-dose calcium at the same time to improve absorption. Use a consistent time each day and consult a healthcare professional if you take other supplements or have medical conditions. Daily timing affects tolerance and absorption, so choose what fits your routine. Take multivitamin tablets with breakfast or lunch to reduce nausea and pair with some dietary fat for better uptake. If you prefer splitting doses, only do so if the label allows. Use reminders or a pill organizer to stay consistent. Observe how your body responds over a few weeks and adjust with professional guidance if needed. Check ingredients to avoid duplicates across your supplement stack and medications. Speak with your clinician before starting Herbalife Multivitamin Tablets if you take prescription blood thinners, thyroid meds, or high-dose vitamin D. Watch for allergic reactions, digestive upset, or unusual symptoms, and stop use if severe effects occur. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult a provider first and keep products out of reach of children.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.